The meaning of our existence lies in the continuous process of creating our own reality, observing it deeply by experiencing it firsthand, and making significant changes to this reality through our conscious choices. This involves the act of both thinking and acting, thus turning us into conscious creators with limitless possibilities. Ultimately, all experiences of reality are a direct consequence of the thoughts and actions we emit into the world. Another crucial and significant factor is the specific direction, which must likewise be carefully chosen, an outwardly focused direction for the sake of others, or an inward direction, to serve myself and desire that the environment serves me. Ultimately, everything fundamentally boils down to specific frequencies that either allow or block the flow of energy from and within the area of the chosen limitation. These vibrations, which determine exactly how we block or allow energy to pass, are what we call filters. They are resonators of scalar waves that block or allow certain frequencies from the vast and infinite field of universal energy. Blocking filters lead to difficulty adapting to the environment, resulting in manifestations of fear, depression, low self-esteem, sadness, nervousness, autoimmune diseases, and so on. Receiving filters are exactly the opposite. Easy adaptation, development, expansion of frequency perception, increased capabilities, manifestation of a suitable environment, the ability to choose states to experience such as happiness, joy, genuine self-esteem, good health, and so on. Many people who seek growth and development believe that all their negative qualities will disappear if they become enlightened. But the world is doomed. As soon as something is judged as good in order to exist, it manifests simultaneously with its polarity, bad. That's why the fundamental concept is acceptance, which means having a willingness to become whole. To accept means to fully acknowledge and recognize a certain characteristic or quality as your own, being able to take complete responsibility for it instead of simply rejecting or denying it. The true opposite of acceptance is division and fragmentation, divide and conquer. Here, it's also about the desire for control, manipulation, and deception. A person who does not accept does not have a complete perspective and always sees life only through the details that are convenient for them. At some point, the desire for control starts to control you. You become dependent on control. You become increasingly unable to adapt to your surrounding environment and begin to experience the controlling energy that you yourself have deeply desired. Otherwise, you simply turn into a helpless victim. To accept means to take full and complete responsibility for all the traits and qualities you possess. Once accepted, you can carefully examine, deeply analyze, and eventually change them. When you explore them with genuine curiosity and interest, they will finally stop exerting control over your life. Accepting the elements of darkness frees you from fear. Everything is energy, and we ourselves are a frequency range. The vibrations we have experienced are familiar, while those we haven't are unfamiliar. But just because something is unfamiliar doesn't necessarily mean it's bad. It has its two polarities. Only when we experience it can we categorize it. That is exactly why we should accept and experience everything, in order to explore new paths and create lasting change. We change ourselves, not others. When we change ourselves, the world and the environment around us will instantly reflect this profound internal change.